Well, hello there, everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. I got mail. Got some more stickers to add on here. So let's get at it. First up, we got Mr. Ray from Punisher Le Mans Garage. He also sent me another sticker. I might end up putting it on the other side. It's Bruner Targets. I never did get to ask him what that's all about, but we'll figure it out. So, I think I'm going to put him back here in the back of the bus with me and Barrows. You know, because he is a Punisher. Let's see how this goes. Oh, beautiful. Alright, Punisher Le Mans. My car just got a little faster and a little more fancier. What else we got here? RC Industries. Just like brand used. Now, if you haven't got to see his little ditty of a song he made, you got to go check it out. Go check his channel out, RC Industries. He just made a song about the No Name Nationals. Let's see how. I think I can. I was going to put that up in here. I didn't show you first, but I had to sort of figure all this stuff out before I. Let's see how that works. Oh, that works fine. Man, that's a cool sticker. Thank you, RC Industries. I'll make sure to put the link to everybody's channel that sent me a sticker down in the description. So you won't have to be typing all that stuff in there. You just hit the link and go. Go check these guys out. If you like what you see, give them a subscribe. RC also sent me some cards. I'll drop them off at my local parts store. He's got his UPC code on there and a picture of him. He also sent me a couple other stickers too. Maybe I'll end up putting them on the other side. Big one and a little smaller one. I like that one though. Okay, next up. We got my good buddy Arrowhead. He actually has a, sent me a little note. Thank you, Brian. But he has his own notepad address. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to put the sticker on there like it has on the notepad. Thank you, Arrowhead. And like I said before, I'll put a link to everybody's channel up. I was going to put that one right over in here. Yeah, right there. That'll work. His was the easiest sticker to get off, by the way. I don't know. Should I put it up here? Let's put it up here. I changed my mind. There's Arrowhead. Arrowhead Garage. Gotta check him out. He got 69 fiber he's putting together. He's pretty witty too. And last but not least, we have Big Block 402 with Candy Cane. Candy Cane's a sweet looking truck. And sent me a magnet too, so look at that. I'm gonna put the magnet inside on the glove box since I got a metal dash. This car's old enough to have a metal dash. So I'm thinking right up there, and I got some room here for more. Maybe I'll try to make some more room and stick them up here. Yeah, that's where we're going. And that's Big Block 402. He's got that 64 Chevy C10 with a Big Block 402 in it. He's entering the burnout contest, and he's doing all kinds of work to it to put on a good show at the burnout contest on Friday night down at No Name Nationals. That's where all these guys will be at the No Name Nationals, September 30th, a couple weeks from now. October 1st, Sikeston, Missouri. Be there. I'll be there. And so there we go. Mail calls over. Big Block's going, the magnet's going in on the dash. Okay, Big block 402 magnet inside the car on the glove box door. I think it looks pretty good there. America flag right there. Wire sticking out of the dash. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Got his sticker, got RC Industries, Arrowhead Garage, and Punisher Le Mans today. So now we got a little bit fancier and a little faster too. So go check these guys out. Links are in the description. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Can't forget to ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. And remember, be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.